Sneezing risks. Did you know it could be deadly? Did you know that holding in a sneeze could actually be deadly? Sounds crazy, right? But here's what happens inside your body when you try to stop one. A sneeze can travel at 100 miles per hour, releasing intense pressure from your lungs. But if you block it, that pressure needs to go somewhere, and it can cause a ruptured throat. Yep, it has happened. A popped blood vessel in your brain, leading to serious damage. A collapsed lung, rare but possible. Doctors warn that stifling a sneeze can send shockwaves through your body, leading to permanent injury or worse. So next time, just let it out. Your life might depend on it. Follow for more shocking facts.